Updating SEO across a whole site, meta titles, descriptions, page copy, CMS items, can be a lot. So we're going to use Claude and MCP to automate that entire audit on our Webflow site. We'll use the keyword optimizer prompt from the Webflow developer documentation, and Claude will review our site, write the optimized copy, and wait for our approval before changing a single thing. And this is just one way of doing things. But if you are just starting to explore how to use the MCP with Webflow and wondering what's actually possible, this might be good insight. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's look at our site here. We have this site, and we're going to go into our pages panel. And let's just open up the page settings for our home page here. And we can see we have a title tag and a meta description. Pretty shallow, not much there. Let's look at the product feature page. Same thing here. We have a title and a meta description. Could be more. We want more characters in there, so good to know. But blog as well, same thing. Let's check out the CMS collection pages. And we actually don't have anything there. So there's no title tag or no meta description and no fields. We'll look into that more a little bit later. And here on the product feature template, we do have the title tag field and the meta descriptions as well. Let's look into the CMS to actually see that we don't have anything there. So I'm clicking into the blog post here, and there's nothing there. There's no title in the title tag or nothing in the meta description. Same thing for the product features. There is nothing there. All right, let's make sure our MCP app is connected. We're just gonna go over to our app panel, and we're gonna go and launch our MCP app. While we wait for that, we didn't have to wait for it. It just opened up. So we are connected to the MCP server. If you haven't connected MCP, you can use the Getting Started guide here on the Webflow developer documentation to get it up and running. So we have some SEO, but it could be better. And that's what Claude is going to help us with. MCP app is connected. So let's go over to our developer documentation. I'm just gonna scroll down here and click on the MCP server. And down here, we can find our prompt library. We're gonna just go and explore the prompt library. And in there, we have a few prompts, but the one we're focusing on today is the keyword optimizer. And this is our prompt that we're gonna be working with. And this acts as an SEO content strategist, analyzing pages and CMS items. Then it's going to write the optimized copy for you. And this works both on static pages and CMS collection items. So what it does is a lot, but how it works, we can see it right down here. First, it's going to find the site or the site that we're working with. It's going to do a page inventory, a CMS inventory. It's going to analyze the static pages and the CMS items. And then it's going to actually create a proposal. We'll see this all in action in just a little bit. But one important thing here as well is that it's going to ask us for approval. And that's very important. And then it's going to implement the changes once we approve. And then it will give us a report after it has completed its job. But before we do all that, we need to add our keyword goals. And these are tailored to your content and help drive traffic to your site targeting relevant keywords. And you can actually use Claude or ChatGPT to help you create those keyword goals, which we already did, and we have them in our notes. But let's go in here and copy our prompt from the developer documentation. And let's head over to Claude. And we're just gonna go in and paste in that prompt. We're here in our notes, and we're just gonna select all our keyword goals. We're gonna copy them, and we're going back to Claude, and we're gonna paste them in here as well. All right, let's move forward in Claude. All right, while Claude is working, I was going to tell you something very deeply personal, a thing that happened yesterday. I was confronting my deepest fears, and oh, okay, we're back in business here. It's telling us that they can see the prompt template and keywords, and they're gonna start the SEO optimization workflow. That's good. It says I can see several sites. All right. This is good. They're doing the first step here. They're listing all the sites that are relevant to our prompt. We're gonna tell them what site we want to work on. This is good. They are showing us the most relevant options, and we want the keyword optimizer site. So we're just going to copy that here and paste. We just told them what site we want them to be working on. And now Claude is doing its thing. It's following the prompt. It's just pulling up the current metadata. It's analyzing. Excellent. They tell us that they have a complete picture of the site. They're giving us the proposal. We have the before and after. For our homepage, for example, what we saw earlier, for the meta title, we only had Lumen Fitness Ring, and they're adding Lumen Fitness Ring, smart wearable for recovery and insights, 60 characters. That's much better. Same for the product feature page and the blog. And it's doing it for all our blog posts. This is saving us a lot of time. It's just generating the title tag and the meta description for everything we asked for. It's also giving us the summary of what they did and the impact as well. Okay, so the prompt did exactly what they told us they would do. Discover, they would find the pages, the CMS pages, and they would analyze both the static pages and the CMS items, and then give us a proposal, and then that's where we're at now. We want to approve, so let's go back to Claude and approve. We approve. Approved. It's applying all the changes. It's starting with 3 static pages. Okay, all 3 static pages have been updated, and now it's applying the blog post meta tags, title tags, and the meta descriptions. Okay, all 8 blog posts updated. Now on to the final phase. And I'm just reading this out loud here. It might feel that this is taking a while, but I'm sure it's going to take you much longer if you're manually doing it. Okay, so we have the final report. It updated 17 things. 17 out of 17 updates applied. And it gives us the before title and the after title, and then before description as well. We have a whole list here, and it has already been applied to Webflow. So let's go over to Webflow and look if the changes are here. So we're just going to go back to our Pages panel, and we're going to click in and see if it has been added. So sometimes you need to refresh the website, and let's just do that. Let's refresh Webflow. We'll just press Command R and refresh our site. Let's go back in, click into the page settings, and there we go. It has been applied. So Claude automatically updated the meta description and the title tag with us just saying approve, which is pretty fantastic. Let's go and look into our blog post template, and we can see it's not there. The reason is because it was added into the CMS collection, but we haven't added the field yet. So if we add our field here and we add the title tag in the title tag, and then we find the meta description for the meta description, we can see it was added indeed. And we can sort of click the arrows here and see the meta description and the title tag for each of the blog posts. Fantastic. Let's save and close right now. And whenever we're ready, we can publish all of our updates to our live site. So with that one prompt and our keyword goals, Claude audited our SEO for all static pages and CMS pages. It created a proposal that we accepted and applied the changes in Webflow, and probably saved a lot of time if we had to do this manually. A lot of this AI stuff is all about trying it yourself on your own project. So go grab the prompt or check out the other prompts in that library and run it on your site. Keep learning, keep exploring, and we'll see you next time.